Today, a new mission unfolds. Agent Ansar, we have a critical situation. A group of armed terrorists has taken several children hostage. Your mission is to infiltrate, neutralize the threat, and bring those children back safely. I won't let you down. With the clock ticking, Agent Ansar prepares for the mission. Every second counts. Every move is crucial. Under the cover of darkness, Agent Ansar moves with precision and stealth. Entering the enemy's stronghold. In the heart of the enemy's lair, the real challenge begins. Who dares to challenge? I'm here to end this. Agent Ansar takes down the captors, bringing hope to the innocent. As the enemy closes in, Agent Ansar leads the children through a maze of danger, every step a race against time. Against all odds, Agent Ansar emerges victorious, reuniting the children with their grateful parent.